Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm swapping out the dome light on my 2024 Silverado with the Boost Auto version. This should fit 2019 plus Silverado and Sierra trucks, and it's much brighter. Now, obviously it's daytime. My schedule doesn't afford me to make videos at night right now, so I'm just doing this in the daytime, and you'll just have to appreciate the difference and do it for yourself. So I'm gonna swap this out, show you. It's pretty easy. It's a pop out, plug in, be done, and that's it. So let's get to it. All right, so in order to get this light out of the ceiling of the headliner, we're gonna pry on the front of the dome light at the front. So this is facing towards the front of the truck. And I'm just gently prying to release the clips. It's a little harder than it seemed on the video they sent me. But it's just held in there with clips. Almost got it. And then we've got a connector here with a red locking tab. So I'm going to just release the locking tab and then release the connector. And that releases the old dome light from the ceiling. This wire is not very long. So there's just a couple of small tabs where the new light will go up into. That's where these two prongs go in. So now I've got the boost light here. It looks a little different. It's got frosted looking glass versus this has clear glass, but you can see the LED housings are much larger on the boost unit, and they're supposed to be much, much brighter. So I'm going to get this in the connector as best I can. And then line up the holes on those slots in the ceiling, and then push everything up. Oh look, it's already turning on. So that's all there is to swapping out the dome light. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Love it if you subscribe. Stay tuned for new videos. We'll see you next time. Later. So I got that boost auto light installed. Here's at night. It lights up the cab a lot better than the previous factory one. Pretty cool.